Claveria Rural and Vocational School can proudly shout to the world that we care for our students' future. We are responsible in ensuring access to, promoting equity in, and improving the quality of basic education. We have visionary leaders and teachers, and we look forward towards the success of the Department of Education amidst COVID-19 pandemic. There's no pandemic that could kill our dreams to serve. We take the risk for we care for our students' educational growth, and we want everyone to be nurtured with love as we bring the school to them. Together with the Department of Education, through the school's division office of Cagayan, we embrace the new normal of education as we face the new trend in the educational system. Yes, we are one with the department in bringing the school to the students in this time of pandemic using different learning modalities. Together, we work hard in shooting the ball in the basket during the dry run of delivery and retrieval of learning activity sheets in Music 7, Art 7, PE 7, Health 8, and Science 10 in 20 randomly selected students from Tapugan, Centro 7, Dibaliw, Dilianyo, Culao, Pata West, and East. Indeed, the job is risky for we are chasing with the unseen virus. However, we have to continue our goal for we care and responsible for our children's future. We continue to learn and unlearn, discover and rediscover for the success of our goal to prepare our children for tomorrow's challenges, for everything is new. And thus, as we discover and learn, we realize that truly the success of the department depends on the cooperation of the barangay officials, the students, and their parents. The new normal trend of education is very challenging, but we have to continue our fight, waving our hands high amidst uncertainties and the threat of the unseen coronavirus. However, with our visionary leaders and teachers, we did not retreat nor surrender. We are the army of the Department of Education and always pledge to be on the battlefield, fighting for the future of our children. We communicate our school's learning modality and continuity plan through information dissemination on radio at 97.7 Radyo Kalugaran, Claveria Radio Station with SB Fredelino Agpuldo and Mr. Charlie Bautista. We attended SB sessions of LGU Claveria and met the punong barangays of our feeder barangays through the help of the ABC President. We choose to serve. We care. We are responsible. We are visionary towards the success of the Department of Education for this school year 2020-2021. Together we dream, ready to fly, and win the victory. Together we say, DepEd tayo. We heal as one. Para sa mga bata. That is Claveria Rural and Vocational School, the arena of future world-class agricultural leaders.